There we go. You're in it too, bro.
Oh,
yeah! Woo! We got Matt. Okay, guys, we're picking up the I8. Tell me when you see it, dude. Do you see it anywhere?
Know what an R8 looks like.
I8.
I8. 6.
I8. BMW. Oh, there it is, baby.
This little Prius?
No, right there.
Right here?
Oh, really? Uh-huh.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I thought, dude. That's
BMW
the car.
back there, the gray one?
Yeah, uh-huh. Look at that. Look at that, bro. Oh, dude, I'm gonna be...
I can't believe you're getting this car right here.
I hit something? No, I didn't. Beep, 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 beep.
So I'm driving that, you're driving this?
I don't think legally you can.
Legally, you can't either.
Yes, I can. What are you talking about? I want to start it first.
Okay. Why are you looking at the shots the entire time? Tell me when you're about to close the door.
Oh, it's on. Okay, that's actually really cool.
I thought I was gonna hear it.
No, I can, now it's on. I just gave it the gas. All right, let's go. Huh. I mean, it's kind of fast, except for the water's dripping in. No! No! Roll up these windows. Roll up those windows. We can't have water in here, baby.
Literally so awkward. You're like, let me get in the trunk right now. How am I even supposed to get in this?
That's what I'm saying, bro. This thing is like very inconvenient to get in.
This looks like a little bumblebee.
Dude,
there's only one cup. Oh, okay.
Seat belts, everybody.
This is as far as the window rolls down.
I know, that's really annoying.
I'm trying to put my hand out the window and I'm uncomfortable.
I got a gal, she looked just fine. Always bring me whiskey and wine. Breakfast in the morning and dinner at night. Everything she do,
it's cold. This is how my hair gets messy. Oh, I look nice with the ladies.
Always, always, my man. Maybe you're single and you want one.
That's when you take down glasses and give them a little wink. That's
So cringy.
on so many levels, that was cringy.
Here you go. Looks see Aubrey in the back. Where are we going? Are we going left?
I'm the. Alright, Max.
No, I told your parents that I keep it in Eco Pro mode. So we're just gonna cruise. It's like an expensive Prius right now. And there we have it, guys. That was a successful, fun first day. We gotta go flying, gotta go take the I8 out. You guys might be wondering, yes, we hit 1,000 subscribers, and yes, we are coming back. We are coming back strong. Right now, I think we're gonna be doing 3 to 4 days a week, and then we're gonna be gradually ramping it up until we're posting every single day. Thank you guys, every single one of you that's a subscriber of me, and look forward, because this channel is revamping.